One of Notion's main appeals as a productivity solution is the freedom that it gives you in how you use it. If photos and visual reminders work best for you, uploading photos can be done without too much of a fuss, both on its desktop site and mobile app. Here's how to get to it. The easiest way to do this is via your desktop browser. Before we start, ensure that you've found and gathered all the photos you need to add into a single folder on your computer to make things easier for yourself, especially if you need to upload a bunch of photos from different places on your computer. Once that's done, just head over to notion.so, sign in if you haven't already, and head to the page you need to add photos to. Once you've navigated to where exactly on or in the page you want them, open up a File Explorer or Finder window and navigate to the photos you need. Once they're up, simply drag and drop them from File Explorer or Finder straight into Notion. For a bit more control over where you want your photos to appear, place your cursor on the line where you want your photo to show up, then type /embed and tap Enter. Select Upload, then find and open your photo through the window that pops up. If the photos you need are on a mobile device, you can simply share them to Notion from your gallery if you've downloaded and signed into the Notion app. Just head over to your gallery, select all the photos you need to add, then tap Share. You'll see Notion as an option. Adding your photos this way will create a new subpage under the page you chose to share it to. Select it, and you'll be prompted to give that subpage a title and select which workspace and page to post on. Once everything's set, tap on the send icon and your photos will upload themselves to Notion. It might take a while for pictures to upload or show up. To avoid data being lost, don't attempt to make any edits to the subpage until you see them. In both cases, you're limited to 5 megabytes per file. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Notion and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.